So the next tool what we have is a noise reduction tool. So I'll get rid of halation here. Let me give you an example. So all these clips that is included with the resource file, what I would do, you can see it's a little bit darker image. So what I would do to make it a little bit bright, I'm gonna increase the shadows just for the sake of this tutorial. But when I increase the shadows, if I just zoom in the image, you can see there are a lot of grains here. Like this was before, this is after, and that also happens with a lot of dark images. There are a lot of grains. And in DaVinci Resolve Studio, there is a feature where you can reduce these grains with one click. Let me show you how. So we go make a new node. I'll just rename it as Noise Reduction. And then we go to the effects panel, and then I would search noise reduction here as well. So we go to noise reduction, we can just drag and drop to our current node. Nothing happens, right? What do we need to do? We go to Luma threshold, and then you can increase the intensity. And as I'm increasing the intensity, you can see that my grains are disappearing and my image is becoming a little bit softer. So this was before, this is after. Let's go full screen. So you can see there's a lot of grains, a lot of noise in the image. And with one click, it is all gone, which is really, really crazy. Like for years, we have been, us videographers, we have been struggling with filming in low light, because if you film in low light, there are a lot of noise, there's a lot of grains. And with one click in the DaVinci Resolve Studio, you can just eliminate that, which is insane. So yeah, you can change the intensity, but I would recommend not push it too much, because then the image becomes too soft and too unnatural. So whatever these tools are, keep the intensity a little bit lower. So it shouldn't look like just because you can, you're doing it. And that would make the image look a little bit natural. So that was noise reduction for you.